And welcome back to another video, another episode of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about another undervalued penny stock, maybe. I don't know. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like in this video as well as press that amazing subscribe button. This video was requested. This stock was requested by someone who commented. So I'm definitely gonna, like I said, I'm definitely gonna look at the stocks and I'm gonna give my opinion on this. But obviously, I do thank every single one of you guys. If you guys do comment down below anything that you want or a stock you want me to look into, that also gets you an entry to get dividend stocks on Fridays or dividends from me on Fridays. All right, so we are gonna talk about a social life network with the ticker symbol of Wdlf. Currently going for 0.0054. Yes, that is going for half a penny. I know it seems ridiculous, and I personally never have invested in a company that's less than a penny. It seems, and obviously disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and I do not suggest you taking my my opinions to heart and investing in companies like that. You should always do your own research. And obviously, penny stocks have high, I repeat, they have high volatilities. And then imagine of what half a penny stock, what their volatility is. It's freaking crazy. I will say that it is going for this price, which is 0.0054. It actually opened up at 0.0075, and then it dropped all the way down to that price, which was a negative 28%. In the past week, it has actually done pretty good. It has gone up 0.0024 with an 80% to the upside, even reaching up to 0.075%. Price per share, which was a pretty good return to whoever invested in this company. At that point, their market cap is at 13 million, which isn't that huge, obviously. And with every single video that I make, I will tell you guys the honest truth if I like it or if I don't like it. Going into their financial performance in Q3 of 2020, they got about 695,000, anyways, which is a 282% to the upside. In the annual year to year in 2019, I guess they haven't gotten their 2020 yet. They have gotten 482,000. There's a few things to this. I'm still iffy about this. Obviously, they are in the social network slash e-commerce sector. Their platform leverages, as you can see on the second one, the platform leverages blockchain technology to increase speed, security, and accuracy of our niche social network marketplace, the best tech and leadership to launch your social businesses. So they're trying to give you that platform to launch your website, your social network, your security, etc. AI powered social networking. We are an artificial intelligence powered social network and e-commerce technology company that develops custom niche networks to be used to connect global business professionals and consumers. Obviously, they have AI, which is pretty great, speed and scalability, niche industry. They have quite a bit of different networks out there that I'll show you guys in just a second. Blockchain security, as well as we talked about networking and all that stuff. A little bit more in their overview. Social Network is a technology business incubator. Their social network and e-commerce platforms are developed for niche industry startups that aim to solve the unique problems that our professionals and consumers struggles with online. So they're trying to give you a way to be noticed and not pay that much, say for example for WordPress and all that. And it kind of gives you like an additional AI to help you grow, and they give you kind of information on that. Revenue model, as you see right here: 5% of total e-commerce revenues, 5% of total digital subscription services, 5% of total ad revenues, 15% in stock and licensee startup prior to their IPO or company sale. So that's the licensing or platform and executive leadership. There's a few milestones that they do have. They did start up this in 2013 and it was developed for the cannabis industry in 2013, and it was actually Wdlf.com. That was the first one that they created, and it was built to provide consumer-to-consumer networking in the rapid growing cannabis industry. It was followed by 3 more cannabis-centric social networks from 2014 to 2019, which is mjlink.com, hemptalk.com, and mjinvest.com. That connects businesses to businesses, CBD retails to consumers, and investors to executives. In February of 2020, mjlink.com filed a Form IA with the SEC to qualify for a $50 million Reg A Tier 2 initial public offering, which was qualified by the SEC in September of 2020. So they will IPO, which is an interesting thing. I know the IPO is the regular way to come into the market, but it hasn't really been like a hype. Obviously, it's still only going for 0.0054, which is pretty low in my point of view. Company milestones, obviously they have different networks out there that I'll show you guys, so they're really proud of that. They've identified opportunities in their sector: cannabis, sports, real estate, and different options, and they've made networks and companies to show you that. Businesses strategy, obviously their niche. I don't want to make this video too long. Obviously, I'll leave this down below if you want to make your own, you want to do your own research. To me personally, this is the social media that they have created for it. Cycle fans, obviously this is just all bicycles. Then they have, I believe this is sports or soccer, more in depth. This is Golf Link, which is their golf website. Hunt Post, which is all about hunting and anything like that. And right here they talk about capital raise. This offering is up to 5 million shares of common stock, offered only to accredited investors. Is sold through a regular D50C offering at $1 per share. They do talk about that. They do talk about like RE, which is in the financial area, social network. Oh no, it's in the real estate industry. They also have the MJ Link, which is the cannabis industry, which we talked about. And they also have Racket Star, which is about tennis. It's going for 0.0054. I will tell you guys this. I personally don't want to invest in this company yet. I personally don't want to get too much into this risky situations. 0.0054 is too risky for me. They really haven't been doing that much lately. As you can see right here, I think the highest that they've ever gone was a penny, and that was in December 7th, 2020, and then again on January 26th, which was yesterday, I believe, somewhere around here. So I mean, if you've invested in this company at triple zeros and then it got into a penny, then congratulations, that's great. I don't think it's gonna get there anytime soon. I mean, it wasn't until 2016 that they passed the $1 mark. This is very risky. For me, it's very risky. For you, if you're willing to risk it, go ahead. But obviously, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. That's a 100% drop. Anyways, please think about it before you invest in this company. I do think if you want to swing it and you want to do like a short day trading with this company and it does pop, go ahead and do it. I'm pretty sure you're going to get a lot of gains. say for example, like today, if you invested in a 0045 and then tomorrow it goes all the way to 75, you got a lot of gains. Congratulations. Me personally, I don't think I'm gonna invest in this company quite yet. I want to see what they do a little bit further, if the IPO is gonna, you know, if it's legit, and then that's when I will invest. All right, so thank you for commenting down below to look in this stock. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. I do thank every single one of you guys, and let's see how far we can grow. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.